Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati. I hope you all are doing great. So today's episode I'll tell you some tips which will help you to boost your confidence level. Yes. So before we will start, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to click the big thumbs up. So we all want to be confident. And you know what? Confidence makes you become more attractive. And no matter how you look and how expensive your clothes are and how educated you are, but if your confidence level is low, then your self-esteem will be low and you won't be able to increase your self-love. Yes, so confidence plays a vital role in our life, and that's why I make this video for everyone, not only for you, for me as well, because it's really important topic. So without wasting a single minute, now let's start it. Now let's start with the first point, which is stop comparing your life with others. Yes, so if you are one of them who always ready to compare your life with others, and if you're always ready just to see others, that look at that person, he's so confident in the way he's talking, it's so amazing, and you just, if you feel so nervous, I mean, when you see those people, when you always comparing your life with others, when you always feel like that, no, I think he is perfect or she is perfect, I am not good enough, and when you start this comparison, then you won't be able to increase your confidence level, because you start comparison. So I would suggest you stop comparing your life with others. It's their life, you don't know about what situation they are facing, and you don't know about what type of problems they are dealing with, and you also don't know about their past, and you actually don't know about their past experience. So how could you say that? You don't need to compare your life with others. You should focus on yourself, that what you are doing for your improvement. And when you change your focus from others to yourself, then you will be able to increase your confidence level. Let's move to the next point, which is do one thing which terrify you. Yes, it can be anything which you feel like this thing is makes me become uncomfortable. You should do it. And I'm not saying that you will have to risk your life. I just want to say that just do something which terrify you, and it will actually helps you to improve your confidence level. If I take my example, that I am extremely camera conscious. Yeah, I whenever just I just turn on the camera, I just forgot everything. Let's move to the last point, which is you have only one life. Yes, so you have only one life. If you क्या बोला मैंने? But still I am trying, I'm making more videos, and I am doing practice, because I know if I just challenge myself, only then I'll be able to increase my confidence level. So that's why I just want to tell you that do one thing which terrify you, and it will not only help you to become more confident, but you will also it will also help you to increase your self love, because now you are able to do that. Yes, I am well enough, I am good enough, and I can do anything. Okay, so next point is relax. Yes, relax and go with the flow. You don't need to take stress on little things. Yes, because you can't say that I want to increase my confidence level over a night. It can't be possible, right? So you will have to do something, and it will take time, and this process is going to be time taking. So you don't need to stress on little things. It's okay, you just need to be relaxed. And when you feel so relaxed, and when you take baby steps, only then you will be able to increase your confidence level, because you are doing something. And you don't need to just sit on your couch and just say that, no, I won't be able to do that. Don't ever say that. It's okay, you just need to do a little things, and it will actually help you to increase your confidence level. It's okay, it's so tiny, and it seems so tiny from others, but it can be. But you know about yourself, that what things makes you become confident, and what things is not in your cup of tea, but you are still doing it, right? So just do this little thing, just take baby steps, and it will definitely help you to increase your confidence level. The next point is take care of yourself. Yes, don't expect that others will take care of you. No, you need to take care of yourself. So you should take care of your health, and mental health and physical health both are included. Don't ever think that I'll just only care about my physical health, I'll just do exercise, I just want to make my body fit, only then I'll be able to confident. No, you should also work on your mental health, because it's okay if you are physically fit, if you are not emotionally strong, then you won't be able to increase your confidence level. So you should give attention to both physical health and mental health. And if you ask me that how I will take care of my mental health, so I just want to suggest you that you can do meditation. And if you don't want to do this meditation, you can watch some informational or some motivation, some inspirational videos, and it will actually helps you to give you a way to increase your mental health. It will actually helps you to improve your mental health. And you can also listen some podcast which is actually motivates you and which will actually helps you to increase your confidence level. So you should invest your time on your in your mental health as well, because physical and mental health both are essential. So the next point is help others. Yes, whenever you feel that someone needs your help, then never feel hesitate to help them. And if you are able to do that, then you should do it. And this thing actually helps you to increase your confidence level. Yes, because you finally realize that yes, I have something and I am capable enough to help others. So this is the best thing to increase your confidence level. The next point is learn every day, which is related to your work. Yes, you should learn every day which is related to your work or your career. I mean, if you don't know about anything, if you don't know about what, I mean, this is your work, right? And you should do it. But if you don't have any knowledge, if you don't know about anything, that what will happen and how you can do it, then how you will increase your confidence level. Like for example, if you have a meeting and if you didn't prepare for anything, then how you will give your presentation confidently, because you feel so nervous, because you didn't do any practice, you didn't prepare yourself, then how you would expect that your presentation will be good? Because if someone asks you any question, you don't know about the answer because you didn't prepare for it and you didn't learn from anything. So if you want to increase your confidence level, you should prepare yourself, you should learn about that what you are doing, you should learn about your work, and you should get some knowledge that what you are doing and what you are trying to do. So knowledge is really important to increase your confidence level. If you don't know about anything, then you won't be able to share something with others. So just get some knowledge and it will actually help you to increase your confidence level. The next point is smile. Yes, smile whenever you feel little nervous. Yes, you don't even know that smile is work like a magic. Yes, because whenever you feel nervous, whenever you feel like that I am not confident enough, and you just feel like that my confidence level is decreasing right now, so you should smile, and it will definitely help you to increase your confidence level. And the other person also feel like that yeah, he or she is confident because she is smiling, because he is smiling, that's why maybe he is confident. So you should smile, and this is a very good trick to increase your confidence level. So whenever you get nervous, you should smile. Always remember this. Also help you to give a good impression in front of the person who is listening to you. Next point is don't limit your beliefs. Yes, if you are just limited your beliefs, then you won't be able to do something which you actually want to do it, because you just feel like that this belief, I don't think that I am good enough, and this is totally out of the box and I won't be able to do that. So if you just set your belief, then you won't be able to do that, right? So don't limit yourself, don't limit your beliefs. Just think like that, okay, I can do it anything, all I just need to do, I will have to do something which I never ever done before. So you should try this thing and you should do work accordingly. Don't limit your beliefs. If anybody can do it, then you also can do it. See people around you, you also feel like that they are so confident and they are so good and they are doing very great in their life, right? But do you know about their story? They also face some struggle in their life, they also challenge themselves, and that's why they are rich at that point. So you should challenge yourself, you don't limit your beliefs to hard work, just do something which you never ever done before, and just challenge yourself, and it will actually helps you to increase your confidence level. The next point is do positive self talk. Yes, you don't even realize that if the way you are talking with yourself, it actually matters a lot. Self talk is actually give effect on your behavior. So if you want to increase your self confidence, then you should start doing positive self talk. You should start motivate yourself. And if you are just keep talking negative with yourself, then you won't be able to increase your confidence level, and you feel always scared about it, and you just feel like that I am not good enough and I won't be able to do anything in my life. So I just want to sit on couch and just waiting, just do things which I am doing right now. So I don't want any change right now because I am so comfortable in this thing. So if you don't be comfortable, just do something which makes you feel uncomfortable and just start talking with yourself, and it should be positive. Always remember, whenever you feel like that now you are talking with yourself in a negative way, then you should stop it. It's okay, you don't need to talk with yourself. You can do others, you can do one thing. You can start talk with others who you feel like that they are confident enough and they motivates me. So you just do talk with them. The next point is be proud to yourself. Okay, सो नो मैटर अगर आप हिंदी बोल रहे हो कोई बात नहीं, इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो कोई बात नहीं, अभी ये मत सोचो कि मेरी लैंग्वेज से ही मैं कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ा सकता हूँ. एंड ओनली इंक्रीज योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल थ्रू योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. एंड डोंट एवर थिंक दैट योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स only will improve when you start talking in English. No. So be proud to be yourself, who you are, who you truly are. You don't need to copy others, just make your own identity and just be proud to be yourself. Whenever you feel true, whenever you become the one who you truly are, only then you will become more confident. That's all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode and you learned something from it. And if you like this video, then please let me know in comment section. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, which is positive vibes 590. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll definitely meet you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay positive.